I don't know about you, but I'm ready to cha-cha. Here's a little preview. Left, right, triple up, 1, 2, 3. Then right, left, 1, 2, 3. Keep it going. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You got it. How about using those hips just a little more? Let's take it side to side. Left, right, then together. 2, 3. To the right, left, together. 2, 3. Let's do it again. Would love to try it front to back. With the left to the front. 1, 2, 3. With the right to the back. 1, 2, 3. You got it. How about we pick it up? Side to side. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Whoo! I don't know about you, but I love getting that cardio in with some dance moves. We go for 4, 3, 2, front to back. Here we go. Ow! Add your flair for 4. 3, almost there. 2, 1, finish pose.